Doggy Truck. Today we're working on a 2017 Ford F350 Platinum. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel. This truck's come to us because the customer, he says he walks into 7-Eleven and he likes to fill his big gulp glass up with Mountain Dew and a lot of ice, and he likes to fill it all the way to the top, and he gets back into his truck, and when he puts the glass in, the cup holder, it spills over. Well, the problem with this truck is it's not level. So we're going to fix that. We're going to put some new springs on the front end. It's going to raise the front end of this truck up 2 to 2.5 inches. And we're going to take care of that problem for him. On top of that, imagine you're leaving the 7-Eleven. Some hooligan skateboarders are going to chase after you trying to get that big gulp. Well, these tires aren't going to do it. You need some traction. So we're going to put these on it. These are fuel 20-inch wheels with fuel gripper AT tires mounted on them. In order to keep these wheels planted on the ground, we're also going to install Fox shocks on all 4 corners. So we've got our work set out for us. Let's get started. Oh yeah, definitely. I can definitely see the problem here. We've got ourselves another unlevel truck. Alright, I start every job off with some WD-40. Makes things a lot easier. So far I've got the shock removed, I've got the coil spring removed from it, and I've got the front brake hose undone from the brake caliper, just so that's not pulling on anything. And I'm getting ready to compress the new spring and slip it up into its place, and then we'll put the shock in and tighten that stuff all back up. And make sure you can see the Fox.
Definitely.
Right?
That's the most important part.
finished putting the springs in, the brake hose is back on. Everything on the wheel portion of it is all done. So next we got to put a lowered track bar mount on it. So I'm going to raise the truck up so we can get to that and start taking the old one off to get this one on. The reason you need a lower track bar mount is because when you raise the truck up, this is the track bar, and so when you raise that the pickup off of it, if you didn't put a lowered track bar on it, it would shift the front differential over to the left a little bit. So by putting a lowered one on, we're gonna drop the track bar down where it's supposed to be in relation to the front drive axle, and everything will be straight again. So. Alright, so I just got to do the whole thing again one more time, except for the track bar. And then we'll bleed the front brakes and we'll put the wheels on and be all done. Alright, well it looks like we've got this truck fixed.
Hey man, is that a big gulp?
Hey!
Hey, I'm thirsty, man.
Beat it, punk!
Oh, come on, man.
Just beat it. Okay, we've got another properly diagnosed and repaired vehicle here at the Ugly Truck Experience. We'd appreciate it if you'd subscribe and ring the bell.
Hey man, what's going on?
Hey, beat it!
What's the camera for? Is this
Don't worry
music
about it. Get
video?
out of here, you little punk!